Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Subhi. Today we're going to see an Indian special sweet Athirasam. It's made usually during Diwalis and other special occasions. It's a very mild sweet made with jaggery and rice powder. So it is considered healthy if you're not deep frying it in oil, but we usually do that in oil or ghee. So you can also try this in the same procedure with air fryer. So that will become the healthiest part because it is made out of rice. Let's get into the recipe. I'm using 500 grams of this rice. It's a short grain rice. In India, we actually use it for making idli and dosa batter. Uh, 200 ml of water with 100 grams of jaggery. You can add any sweetener you want, even sugar, normal sugar. Along with that, I'm adding some pinch of cardamom powder. This is just to add the flavor. I'm going to wait for it to get it melted and form it into a syrup. And once that is done, I'm going to add the rice powder. A pinch of salt. You can see the syrup consistency is like this. Switch off the stove and now slowly add the rice powder to the syrup. Keep stirring it. Make sure you don't have any lumps. Close it and leave it for at least 1 hour, and then we can start making Athirasam. You can now see it has absorbed all the syrup and the consistency will be just like a cookie dough. And if you are health conscious, then you can also fry it in the oven, deep fry, or use the air fryer, but add some ghee or something to it so that it is having a nice taste. You can either use directly oil to the plate or use a foil and just make it into a round shape. You can see how well it is, the shape is getting on and it doesn't come off. If the dough is perfect, it will not even get separated in the oil. It will remain the same. When you're removing it from the flame, try to squeeze the oil out, and also it gives a shape to the sweet.